Hey y'all, oh my gosh, it's late and I'm exhausted, but I'm not going to let this day go by without what you saw in the title. I'm going to unbox a shipment that I got today. I know I look rough, I know I look tired, I am tired, but I got two shipments today. One's a little more significant than the other, and because I know how that is, I'm going first with the more significant one because I know it's what people want. But I do have a Chanel unboxing and I do have a Louis Vuitton unboxing. Now let me tell you about Louis Vuitton. For me, there went my glasses. Sorry, I had to pick them up. For me, this is the first Louis Vuitton purse that I've gotten through the store brand new. I usually have traded or gotten them through other sources. And usually I'll tell you exactly where I got them. My very first Louis Vuitton I ever got was from my husband, and he got it on eBay. It was authenticated. And people say, well, you can't authenticate. I also know how to check. And it was pretty worn, but it wasn't. It did not feel brand spanking new, but the vachetta leather had zero hand patinaing or wear on it. So that was my first. And then also my husband got me a clay in Charleston for my credit cards, my three cards that I carry. My charge card, my insurance card, and my driver's license, and I had that all hooked in just that little tiny piece. But then I got all kinds of other little pieces over time and from different places, but never brand new and never from the store direct. So this is the little thing that comes with it, and I will tell you that it is the Speedy Bandouliere, and should be in damier and bean. So let me just look if it says that. Yeah, Speedy Bandouliere 30. It doesn't say in damier and bean. Should there be a surprise? Okay, so I got that little note. Then Merry Christmas. Oh my gosh. I kid you not. This says Merry Christmas, Kia. Love always, Kenneth. I either got someone else's note or I got someone else's bag. But it does say, because it's not like this is a resale. This is brand new. So that is very poor customer service that they messed it up like that. Okay, I'm definitely holding on to this because it also talks to you about exchanges and returns. So let's see, what did I even get? Okay, so this is what it looks like. I have to give you my thoughts on this. It's a little lackluster. First of all, look at the ribbon falling off. Literally falling off the box. This is expensive. This should be perfect. They should tape it or something. Really and truly. Also, I'm kind of surprised that Louis Vuitton kind of is taking off on Hermes's orange and kind of like a navy blue. I'm kind of shocked that Louis Vuitton would kind of go that route, you know. Okay, so here is a card. Let's see what it says. If it's also from Kenneth, then I really feel sorry for Kia because she didn't get her purse. Or either it's going to be interesting to see who got what. Come on, get out of here. It is an empty card. So I guess that's if you wanted to, like if you ordered this for someone, which you should know if it's a gift. They should know if it's a gift. It's not a gift. So this shouldn't even be like this. But if you wanted to use this card, you could, because it's unwritten on. So maybe that's a standard. But like I said, the bow is stretched out. It's truly lackluster as far as anything truly exciting to opening this. I will tell you. Okay, it's a magnetized closure box, like so. And then it is just a whole new packaging. This is obviously going to be the key and the lock. And then this piece in a hard bottom. And that's it. And it's not got the old Louis Vuitton it looked different before. Or maybe, I don't know, maybe this is their new look. And I should just be so excited. Okay, so here it is. This is the Bandouliere. And, is that leather? It should be leather. Okay, now what, those of you who have never opened a Speedy before, they're not inflated, as I would put them. They're flat. They're made to collapse. That's on purpose. On the side, I see the imprint there. I'm looking at the quality because there's a little piece of me that's wondering about this, y'all. It is all brand new. All the hardware has the stamping of the name. Is that good leather? I'm not smelling a heavy leather smell. And the handles and the strap are leather, so I should. I don't know. I am not smelling a heavy leather, y'all. But it sounds like it. It sounds like leather, and you can tell the difference. Now this, here's the thing about this. The canvas, it's got a coating on it that, the only thing about Louis Vuitton canvas is once you break that seal, it's done. There's no fixing it. So you gotta really just love the look of the Louis Vuitton canvas bags. So I want to see if this is too big or if this is the right size. It looks like the right size. I have a 35 and it's just too big. I'm getting this terrible feeling this might be the same size. Is this too big too? Or is that... No, that looks right. That's the 30. I'm not guaranteeing myself that I'm not going to send this back. So that's why I'm looking very carefully to make sure I love this. If I don't love this, it's going back. Okay, the one thing about a Speedy that you have to remember, this is interesting. So let's see what this is. This is the Speedy Bandouliere Damier Ebene code, UPC code, and keys. So this other one must be just the lock. So maybe they are purposely separate. Doesn't make a lot of sense at all. Oh, well. It gave me some perfume. A sample of perfume. Okay, so first we're going to take this little key over to the lock and make sure it works. 13, 313, 313. Let's make sure it opens. Yes, it does. Okay. Good to know. I always want to make sure. And then what I do is keep that piece in the bottom of the purse. I literally throw it in the bottom of the purse. And it's just something that you always will know it's down there if you need it. Now, I gotta tell you, the size on this looks larger than a Speedy. It looks kind of huge. Hold on a second. This was the other one that I got a long time ago. There's definitely a color variance in the canvas. This is darker. The handles smell exactly the same, and frankly, these almost look identical as far as size. But I thought this was a 35, and this is a 30. Yeah, this is bigger. This also got messed up. It got some really bad stains on it. And like I said, once it's messed up, it's messed up. I mean, there's just no going back. I don't know why I feel like this is not legitimate, y'all. It doesn't feel like a real Louis Vuitton. And yet I know that it is because I got it through the store. Okay, so there's the zipper. Just see the quality. It's a good quality. And if I remember correctly, it's inside the little pouch. You should be able to find, or is it in the bottom? You should be able to find the little tag. There it is. I see it. Hold on. see what I can see from this. Made in the USA of imported materials. Louis Vuitton's made in the USA? What? I thought it was made like in France or Italy. That's so weird. Okay, so that is a regular old tag. It has no serial number or anything like that on it. So I'm still searching in here. Can y'all tell them this is not the experience I wanted from opening my very first Louis Vuitton? It's not the experience I wanted at all. I am not seeing it, y'all. And there should be something somewhere that makes this sucker real. I don't see it. Normally, you will see a tag, and it looks like just a half tag, and it's sewn into the, it's purposely sewn into the purse. Now, I haven't read anything that said they're not doing that anymore. Y'all may have read it and said, no, that's not how they're doing it now. But, like, I know my other one that my husband got me off eBay, has it? I don't see it. This almost makes me feel like this is just a big plastic bag. Is that it? No, that's the USA thing. That's really weird. And it's not, it also inside it's just a big open area. I do love the red. And then a little pouch, a little zipper pouch. And normally that's not a zipper. And then because it's bandouliere, it has reinforced sides and the strap. So that's my initial opening, y'all. Tell me, what do you think? At least I got a little note from someone and some sample of perfume. Anyway, what do y'all think?